Welcome to AG Apologics. I'm going to start a new series on the C programming. Okay, in this course, I'm going to discuss complete C. Okay, from introduction to the advanced topics like arrays, pointers, and those topics will be covered. Whole topics will be covered in this series. So that's it. Let's start with an introduction to the C programming. Yeah, C introduction. What is C? Yeah, let's see what C. C is a general purpose programming language created by the Dennis Ritchie. Okay, C is created by the person called Dennis Ritchie at the Bell Laboratories in the US in 1972. Okay, in 1992, Dennis Ritchie was a scientist who invented this particular C for developing the UNIX operating system at Bell Laboratories US. Okay, yeah, it's a general purpose programming language. It is very popular language despite being old. So many years it's been already in the 1972. Still it is so popular. Why? Because despite being very old, it's so popular. The main reason for its popularity is because it is fundamental language. Okay, in the field of computer science, C is the fundamental language in the computer science. So that by learning C, it is very easy to learn other languages. And also in this today's world, there are so many applications with the help of C, like embedded C and all those applications are there. So that C doesn't become outdated, even though it's so old. It doesn't become outdated. Yeah, C is strongly associated with Unix, as it is was developed to write the Unix operating system. This point I have already discussed, right? Dennis Ritchie, who invented the C, is used to the purpose that he was invented the C is to develop the Unix operating system. Okay, for that purpose, in that while in the process of developing that particular Unix operating system, we have invented this particular C language. Yeah, why learning C? Why we need to learn this particular language C? It is one of the most popular programming languages in the world. Yeah, obviously, it is the one of the most popular programming languages in the world. Why? Because it's a very basic language, and also by learning C, you can also learn other uh, languages very easily. If you know C, we will have no problem learning other programming languages like such as Java, Python, C++, C, Sharp, etc. As the syntax is similar. Yeah, that's the point. C is very basic language and has so many applications, and also you can able to learn these particular languages like Java, Python, C++, C Sharp, etc. Next, if you need C, you will understand how computer memory works. Yeah, this is the uh, most valid point. Learning C is important. Why? Because you will able to learn the how memory works exactly. Okay, why? Because mostly in using C, we work on the memories directly. Yeah, C is very fast compared to other programming languages like Java and Python. C is very fast, very fast. It will execute very fast uh, compared to other programming languages like Java and Python. Why? Because most of the compilers or the interpreters are being written in the C. Okay, yeah. So that C is very fast. Next, C is very versatile. It can be used in both application and technologies. Yeah, it can be used in applications as well as technologies. Okay, like we use C in the embedded systems, and C also use it to some other applications. Okay, and technologies as well. Difference between C and C++. Okay, let's see what's the difference between. There is no any difference. C with classes is called as the C++. That's it. C++ was developed by the developed as an extension of C. Yeah, it's an extension of C. Both syntax looks similar, and both almost looks similar. Yeah, both languages have almost same syntax. The main difference between C and C++ is C++ supports classes and objects while C does not. That's it. Yeah, that's the only difference. C with classes will call as a C++. That's it. Yeah. Yeah, that's it for this video. So this is a basic introduction about the C. In the coming videos, we're going to go in deep to the C. So if you like this particular video, please like, share, and subscribe to the AK App Logics. Thank you.